Friends, look at this channel of mine. Just 5 days ago, I uploaded my first video here, and today it has crossed 50,000 views. So I'm going to tell you exactly how I did it. There are no sound effects, no fast cuts, no fancy editing. The video is very simple. But I'm about to share knowledge that I learned after wasting 4 years. So put on your earphones, and most importantly, apply this to your own channel. Otherwise, you'll keep watching others grow and fall behind. So give yourself 4 months and follow the 4 steps I applied to my first video on this channel. Step 1. How the algorithm works in 2025. In 2025, everyone wants to become a YouTuber. From my previous channel's data, I noticed the algorithm depends on 2 main factors. 1. Picking videos based on data, and 2. Boosting videos based on audience response. But the biggest issue with the algorithm is that everyone wants to be a YouTuber now. So YouTube gets overloaded with data. Even if you write great titles and texts, you still need to do something different. So I started watching videos of small YouTubers and noted their flaws, so I could be different and catch the algorithm's attention. After watching many videos, I found 2 major mistakes everyone was making. 1. Running behind high editing. Everyone's focusing on editing instead of content. They spend all their time on editing and ignore scripting. 2. Not letting go of old channels. People stick to their old stagnant channels even when they aren't getting results. I had an old channel too with a few subscribers, but I left it and decided to start fresh. That old channel was frozen. The more I held onto it, the more time I wasted. So why start a new channel? Because when a new YouTuber uploads a video and doesn't get views, they get demotivated. And YouTube doesn't want to lose a truly talented creator just because of low views. So understand this. YouTube only cares about whether the audience likes the video or not. Now, to make your video likable, ask yourself these 3 questions before making it. First, why would people watch my video? Your channel is new, you have no subscribers, so why would anyone watch you? People will comment, first grow your own subscribers, then give advice. So to avoid that, find a strong hook that pulls viewers in. Second, how will my video get initial boost? If you have 0 subscribers, YouTube won't push your video much. So get 7 or 8 phones from your family, create 2 Gmail accounts on each, and use them to push your videos. Also, make sure your content is targeted to the right audience. For example, if your audience likes cooking videos, don't show them tech content. That's where SEO comes in. You've probably heard about SEO, but what I learned after growing 3 to 4 channels in the past few months is something no one tells you. It's about your audience's watch history. The few views your video gets. What are those viewers usually watching? Make sure your video matches the kind of videos they normally watch. That's the exact trick I applied on my last video, and it reached the right audience, which is why it went viral. Everything I've told you so far was the packaging, but no matter how great the packaging is, if the actual content, your video, isn't good, it's useless. So, what makes a good video? Step 3. Definition of a good video. A good video is not about editing. I've already told you this. If you look at big creators like Nitesh Rajput or Dhruv Rathee, their early videos didn't have great editing either, but they still went viral. Why? Because they knew how to make good content without editing. Good videos depend on good ideas. So how do you find a good video idea? Start by finding creators in your niche and watch all their viral videos from the last 3 months. But don't watch as a fan. Watch as a creator. Observe where you get bored and where you feel hooked. Once you watch enough viral content, you'll start to understand audience psychology. You'll know what people want to watch. Then, ideas will start flowing. Pick one idea and ask yourself, 1. Has someone already made this video? 2. Can I present it better? 3. How much knowledge do I have about this topic? Once you have answers to these, you'll know this is your best idea. But wait, even if people click your video because of a good idea, if the content is boring, they'll leave. So what do you do? Step 4. Scripting. There's nothing fancy about scripting. Just focus on your intro. Thanks to Shorts, people now judge a video within 5 to 7 seconds, so in those first seconds, you must grab attention. Let me give an example using my last video's thumbnail and intro. My thumbnail showed I gained 30,000 plus subscribers from just 7 videos. To prove it wasn't fake, I started the video with a boring screen recording. No edits, no cuts. It looked raw and different from all other creators, intentionally, because I wanted it to feel real. That way, the thumbnail was justified. But now that the audience clicked, they still need a reason to keep watching. So in my voiceover, I didn't just repeat what's on the thumbnail.